Hiber. Hiber. Hey, yes. Hiber. Hiber.
Don't shock the bird. Slowly. Don't scare the bird.
Eating.
Say, eat, bird.
Eber.
Huh?
Eber.
Yeah, eat, bird.
Eber. Eber. Eber.
What's your bird's name?
What's the bird's name?
What's the bird's name, Ashton? Who is that?
Okay.
Who is that?
Eber.
That's Lolo Ben. Say, eat, Lolo Ben.
Eber.
Eat, Lolo Ben.
I changed. Dad, you can't change it now. I changed.